Hi guys, in this video we are going to focus on the representation of integers on number line. You will learn how to represent the integers on number line just like -6, +7, the integers from -4 to +4, the integers from -6 to 0, and the integers from -4 to 5, and the set of integers. So this is a number line in which the integer are represented. Here 0x as the central point or the reference point of the number line. Positive integers are flat on the right direction of the number line, and negative integers are flat on the left direction of the number line. So on the right side of the 0 point, these are positive integers. Positive integers. And on the number line on the left side of the 0 point, these integers are negative integers. Negative integers. Right, the value of integers increases from left side to right side. Every integer on the right side on the number line is greater than the number that is on the left side, and every integer on the left side is smaller than the integer on the right side. Just like 0 is to the right of the -1 on the number line, so 0 is greater than a -1. -1 is to the right of -2 on the number line, so -1 is greater than -2. We are going to show you that how to represent the integer just like -6, +7, etc. on a number line. Now let me show you how to represent -6 on number line. Simply draw a number line and mark 0 as the central point of the number line or the reference point of the number line. Now mark the unit distance on both sides of the 0 on the number line. So here we have asked to represent the -6 on the number line. So count 6 unit distance to the left on the number line from 0. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So simply put a point on the number line on the 6th distance or draw a circle around it. So this is the representation of -6 on the number line. Now we are going to represent +7 on the number line. So we will do the same just like we do power -6. Now here we draw the number line to represent the -7 on it. So make sure to represent any number on the number line. The number line must have the unit distance either equal to that number or greater than that number. Just like we have to represent -7 on the number line, so we must have the unit distance either equal to 7 or greater than 7. So we have taken the unit distance equal to 8. So we will count 7 unit distance on the left side on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now put a point on the number line on the position -7 and draw a circle around it. So this is the representation of -7 on the number line. Now we have another example. Here we have to represent the integers from -6 to 0. We can represent the integers from -6 to 0 in 2 ways. The first one is that simply draw a number line and mark distance on it. Label the unit distance or the point on the right side of the number line as 0. Start from 0 and label the remaining integer as -1, -2, -3, etc. up to -6. This is the representation of integer on number line from -6 to 0. Now here is another method that you can follow up to represent the integers from -6 to 0. Simply, just like we did before, simply draw a number line and mark 0 as the central point or the reference point of the number line. Label integers to the right as positive and to the left as negative. Now to represent the integers from -6 to 0, so we will mark it on the number 6 or the integer 6 and draw a circle around it. So this is the representation of -6 on the number line. We have to represent it up to 0. We will put a point on the 0 number and draw a circle around it. So this is the representation of integers from -6 to 0. Now we have another example. We have to represent the set of integers on number line. Here we will look at the greatest number or the smallest number. We will draw a number line and mark unit distance equal to the greatest number or the smallest number. Here the greatest number is 5, so we have drawn a number line and mark unit distance equal to 5 or greater than 5, just like we have drawn the line up to positive 7. Now, to represent the integer on the number line, so first of all, we will represent the negative 2 on the number line. Simply mark a point on it and draw a circle around it. So this is the representation of negative 2 on the number line. Now we will draw a 5 on the number line. So this is 5. Mark a point over 5 and draw a circle around it. Now we will represent 1 on the number line. So here this is 1, mark on it and draw a circle around it. So this is the representation of the set of integers on number line. Now dear viewer, if you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to math. Thank you for watching.